Welcome students. In this video we're going to look at optimization problem. So we have the task to find the dimensions y and x of an area, rectangular area that is 405,000 square meters. You have a river here, so you don't have to worry about this type of fencing. So you only have to worry about the dimensions of the fencing that goes here and here. So we need to find those dimensions and how to optimize them, so that way we use the least amount of fencing. So we know that perimeter is the sum of the sides. So we have 1x, so we have 2y's plus x. That's the perimeter. That's what we need to optimize the fencing. But we remember, when we're doing optimization problems, we need another equation. So basically we want to get rid of one of the variables here. So the way we do it is we have area, which is equal to 405,000 k is equal to x times y. So from here we can solve for one of the variables and plug it in here. I'm going to solve for y here. So y is equal to 405,000 over x. Now we plug it in here. So p is equal to 2 times 405, that would be 810,000 over x plus x. So that's our main equation. So once we find x, we can find y, because we just plug it into here. So let's to find the optimized values, we have to take the derivative and find the maximum. Okay, so that would be dp dx is equal to, so we take the derivative of the first term. That's gonna give you okay, so basically we're gonna bring down the 2. Okay, so we're gonna do 8, 10. So x to the 1, that would be this becomes minus, and then this becomes x minus 2. Taking the derivative of this, we just bring it to the top and do power rule. So now derivative of this is just plus 1. Now we set this equal to 0. Set dp dx equal to 0. And we're gonna get that x is equal to 900 meters if we do the quadratic. So it's gonna give you 900 meters. So this is the first answer. Now to find that, so solving this quadratic here, so what we did is just did it like this: negative 810,000 x to the minus 2 equals, okay, plus 1 equals 0, and then we solve for x, and we get x equals 900 meters. That's the first one. So x is equal to 900 meters. Then to find y, we plug it in here, our answer that we got for x. So that would be 405,000 all over 900, and that gives us 450 meters. So that's our final answer. So this is equal to 450 meters. This is 450 meters. So those are the dimensions that we were looking for. Thank you very much, students.